what is up? It's looksbylottie and welcome to today's video. If it's your first time here on my channel, then welcome. I'm so glad to see you here today. If you like videos about makeup, make sure to subscribe down below. I post every Tuesday and Friday. I know that I haven't posted in the last week. Oops. Life has been busy, but everything's all good. If this is your second, third, fourth, or however many times you've been here, then welcome back. It's so great to see you again. Make sure to press that notification bell down below so you never miss any of my videos. A few housekeeping things. I'm currently running my washer and dryer, so if you hear it, I'm sorry. I gotta do chores, you know, it's life. Also, look at the nails. I got a gel manicure for the first time in like 5 years, and I love it. Very expensive though. You guys already read the title, so you know what time it is. It's Sephora haul time. Ooh. So this is actually over the span of I guess technically 2 different purchases. One of my purchases shipped out in 2 different boxes. I don't know why they did. But yeah, I'm excited to show you all these. These are all new items to me. Well, one of them is not new, I'm just getting another shade of it. But yeah, let me go ahead and reveal the products. So the first thing I'm going to show you is actually not a makeup item, it's actually a scent. This is from Ness, New York. This is their new perfume in scent. Is it scent and smell? The perfume is Golden Nectar. And I took a whiff of it earlier and I didn't spray it on me. It's very nice. It's kind of floral, but it's not an overwhelming floral. I really like it. It's just like a little hint, you know? I highly recommend this if you like slightly floral perfumes, but of course I recommend trying it out in the store first. I just in general love Nest perfumes, so I'm always gonna pick them up. Next up, this is actually a recommendation from my friend Amanda Lynn Glam on Instagram, but this is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Foundation. I hope I got the right shade. This is cool tone and with pink undertones. This is like one of the lightest shades. On camera, it doesn't look like a match, but in real life it does, so hoping and praying that it works out. Next up, I picked up the NARS Light Reflecting Setting Powder in shade Translucent. When I went to go pick up the foundation, the lady who was shade matching me told me, hey, you know, this setting powder works really well with this foundation. I was like, I'll pick it up in February. And of course they had fun packaging for Valentine's Day, so why not? It wasn't any more expensive than the original one, otherwise I wouldn't have got it. This is what the compact looks like. Oh, look, it's me! We have a little kind of, I guess it's like a little cotton pad thing, and you just do it like that and then do it like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to see if this is worth the hype. Next up, I picked up a Danessa Myricks Twin Flames Multi-Chrome Pigment. I picked up one before, I'm pretty sure it was in the shade True Love, but this one is in the shade Crazy For You. And this is a really unique shade. It's like a white, but then it also has like, I think it's like a chartreuse. There's also like some green in there, but I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's super, super cool. And I know that this formula is good, so I know that we're gonna create a fun look with this. Next up, you know that I had to pick up the newest launch from Fenty Beauty, the Fenty Iconic Lipstick. I did take the time to assemble it. It took me a second to figure it out, but I'm pretty sure what you do is that you twist it, and then all you have to do is pull it out, and then there is the lipstick. Yeah, I had some issues with it. But the shade I picked up, and it says it on the side, is Ballin' Babe. I haven't tried this on my lips yet. I opened all these up, but I haven't tried any of them, so yeah. I think I might do something weird, and I might do everything but my eyes first, so we can figure out an eye look to do with the look. Is that weird? I know it's weird. Don't need to tell me. And last but not least, for my purchases, I picked up an Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lip Quip. This is in the shade Come Through. I think on the website, it said this is Addison's favorite shade, so of course I had to pick it up. This is a really interesting applicator. I don't know if I'm supposed to use this side or this side. But yeah, it's got a little bit of pigment for a lip oil, so I'm not mad. The last thing I picked up was with my points. I'm pretty sure it was just like 100 points, but this is the Bite Beauty, where's the logo? Bite Beauty Upswing Mascara. And I opened it up a little bit earlier, and it has a similar wand to the Too Faced Better Than. So I'm interested to see how it works on my lashes. I currently don't have like any makeup on. I was in a rush for work this morning, so I didn't bother. But yeah, those are all the products I got this month. Let me know if I got any of your faves down below. And of course, we are going to be testing these out. I'm gonna put some primer on and I'll check back in a second. Alright, so I've primed with my Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer, and I've let it sit in my face for a little bit. Now it's time to apply a foundation. So I haven't even opened this up yet. I'm assuming that it's a pump. Yeah, okay. We love that. And so I'm just going to apply it on my beauty sponge. Whoa. It's very liquidy. You see how that's moving fast? I'm not going to use that much for now. I'm not exactly sure what the coverage is supposed to be, so if I need more, I'll add more, but I'm just curious to see how this is right now. Also totally random, but this is like the first purchase I've made from Urban Decay in a very long time. Urban Decay kind of fell off. Who agrees with me? Let me know down below. I am probably going to need another pump of this, but that's fine. That's fine. Alrighty, so this isn't exactly like the best match, at least to my neck. It's obviously a little bit darker, but it's not that off. This could probably be like my summer color. First impressions, it is a very light coverage foundation. I kind of see little bits of my skin coming through, especially around my nose area. But that's like not necessarily a bad thing to have a lightweight, low coverage foundation. But first impression that it's not bad. I mean, obviously I'm gonna have to put some more products on and then let it wear a little bit and see how it is after that. But again, not bad. Let me add my concealer and some cream products and I'll check back in with you guys in a second. Alright, I finished my face. It's looking pretty good so far, no complaints. Oh, there's a cat hair. Not a complaint though. And so I'm going to use this little sponge to press my translucent powder in, just like this. I'm just gonna do that all over my face. I like it. I'm gonna give myself a little bit of moisture because that powder did mattify and I like a little bit more of a dewy base. But that powder definitely worked and it didn't like mattify me like to the extreme, but it was like a soft matte, so I do appreciate that. From here, I'm gonna continue to put some products on, then we're gonna go to the lips, and then we're gonna end with the eyes. I'm gonna be weird. I'm sorry. This is not the usual way that I do it. I know. And it's not the usual way that anybody does it. It'll be okay, I promise. Alright, so my face is looking super wonky, I know. It'll all come together soon, I promise. So now it's time for me to put on my Fenty Beauty Icon lipstick. I know that I totally messed up like the tip here, but I'm hoping that it still looks good. I mean, it's Fenty, why wouldn't it look good? Let me clean up my lips a little bit because I did kind of overdo it. The formula is super nice and lightweight. Like, I don't even feel it on my lips right now. It has a little bit of fragrance. If you don't like fragrance in products, you might not like it. I also really love this color. Like, I think this could be a great color for fall. I'm glad I have it now, obviously, but I think that I'll definitely be wearing this a lot more in the fall. I don't know if it's smooch proof or not. it's not.
Austin, you better watch out.
But yeah, I think this is very nice, and so if you're looking into it, I recommend getting it. Before I went and picked up this shade, I actually ordered one in my Octoly account, and I got approved for it, and so I got another one. Yes. It feels almost wrong to do what I'm about to do right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and add the Item Beauty Lip Quip Oil because I want to see how it feels, but I want to try everything out in this video. I'm gonna use this side of the applicator. I think that's the correct side. That's what seems correct to me. Okay, moisture on the house. This also has a smell. It's very sweet. It's like sweet and juicy, sweet and fruity. I like it. Next, I'm gonna have to wear this alone to see how it looks and how it wears throughout the day. But I'll tell you what, Addison, I don't know if you actually like formulated this product, but you came through with this one, honey.
Okay, the crickets aren't even laughing.
So now it's time to go into the eyes. I think I'm going to do a kind of warm tone neutral look. And the last thing we're going to add is going to be our twin flames. So I will come back after I am done applying my eyeshadow. Okay, so I just did a nice warm toned eyeshadow, and now we are going to add our chrome pigment. I'm gonna zoom you in here, and honestly, all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna swipe it on my eyes. Kind of doing a messy job there. And then I'm just gonna blend it in with my finger. Gonna add a little bit more punch. All right, last little thing we're gonna do is that we're going to add the Bite Beauty mascara. And I think I'm gonna add a couple coats. I am going to, of course, add some lashes at the end. Oh my gosh, wait, you guys. You might not know this if you don't follow me on Instagram, but Lily Lashes was actually so kind and they sent me a whole lash kit, which included lash scissors, an applicator, lash glue, and then also 8 of their lashes. And I don't know if you guys have ever purchased Lily Lashes, but they're not cheap.
They're expensive.
So I'm just so grateful and thankful that they reached out to me, and I do enjoy their lashes a lot. I've been using them for a while, so the fact that they noticed little old me was just very kind of them. All right, I'm really liking how this mascara is looking. I don't know if you can see, but it is lifting and kind of slightly curling my lashes. So I'm always a fan of that. But of course, I am gonna add some lashes. And speaking of Lily Lashes, I am going to add the Miamis because why not? I haven't even opened them. That's how recent I received the PR kit. Is it PR? It's like kind of PR. But anyways, I'm going to put on my lashes, change my outfit, and then give you my final thoughts on all the products. All right, so here is the final look. I actually ended up not going with the Miamis. I went with these light Lily lashes. They're in the style Luxe. I don't know why I showed black when they're on my lashes, but yeah, guys, what are we thinking? How are we feeling? Obviously, I have some thoughts. So I think overall this was a pretty successful haul. I liked all the products and I definitely want to use them again. I think that the foundation looks really nice right now. Obviously, I would have to do a full-on wear test to get like my final thoughts, but for now, she's good. And now that I have more products on my face, you can see that it kind of matches with my neck a little bit more. Not so much my chest. My chest never sees the light of day though. The lady who shade matched me at my Sephora was exactly correct about this powder. It gave me a nice soft matte finish, which you can see right here. Obviously I have a little bit of highlighter, but like, you know, I don't look crazy dry, but I also don't look crazy oily. If you don't want to pay the $40 for this, I know that the minis just came back in stock, so if you're interested in it, go pick up a mini. I think that both of our lip products were a hit. They look good together on my lips, and I think they would look good individually as well. I knew that the Danessa Myricks Twin Flames would be amazing as always, but I really like how it turned out with this look. It just really makes this look something. It's like a little twist, you know? It's like a natural glam, but like, ooh, it's actually greenish. And I also thought the mascara was nice too. It's nothing compared to the Rare Beauty one, but I would say that this is maybe like second or third after that one. So what are your thoughts on today's products? Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate every single one of you. Now don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Make sure you subscribe and also turn on notifications so you know when I post my next video. Now I gotta go catch them all. No, I'm being serious. This has been my addiction. I'll see you guys later. Bye!